In this video, I'll be providing a brief Elastic Access demonstration, the first monetization model enabled in Revenera's Dynamic Monetization module. To set the stage, I'll first provide some details on the use case for the demo. Acme Software has three different product offerings with varying levels and types of functionality. They are Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. Historically, Acme has sold these products with traditional license models where customers needed to determine upfront which products they wanted to use and then purchase licenses allowing use for those specific products. This worked very well. However, Acme's customers had been asking for a more flexible usage-based model. To address this, Acme implemented a consumptive token-based model using Revenera's Elastic Access. Using this model, Acme customers purchase a quantity of consumable tokens, which are then applied towards use of any of Acme Software's products, with each product having its own token consumption rate. In this demonstration, the cost for use of the basic offering is 5 tokens per hour, intermediate is 7 tokens per hour, and advanced is 10 tokens per hour. Let's now take a look at the demo application. I have just logged into the Acme Software application. This could be either a SaaS or on-premise application. It just needs to be internet connected so that it can communicate via API with Revenera's cloud-based Elastic Access service. I have all three Acme products available for me to use with the token usage rates displayed below each product. Also displayed is a session identifier for recording usage, the ID of the logged in user, and the remaining token balance in my account. Let's take a look at what I have purchased by displaying the entitlement details for my account. My customer account name is displayed along with an Elastic Instance ID. This ID is a unique identifier of the Elastic service that will be used to manage Elastic usage for all users on my account. Each end customer account will have their own Elastic Instance ID. The entitlements for my account are then listed. 1,000 permanent tokens were purchased on June 30th, 22.6 have been used, and there are 977.4 remaining. 500 additional tokens were purchased on July 2nd. These will not be used until the tokens from the previous entitlement have been depleted. Lastly, the total quantity purchased, used, and remaining are also displayed across all entitlements. Let's now go back to the main screen. As referenced earlier, I have all three product offerings available for me to use. These different offerings could be in a common product family with increasing levels of functionality as in this use case, or they could be completely different products, features, or functions. The Elastic Access capability can also be used in conjunction with traditional licensing to provide access to software during peak demand periods. Let's start using one of these products. Note the current token balance in my account is 1,477.4 tokens. I'll start with the intermediate version, which has a usage rate of 7 tokens per hour. The product is shown in use, and my token balance is initially deducted 7 tokens for a full hour of use. If I am using the application for an extended period of time, the token rate will automatically be deducted from my balance every hour. The application will simply need to periodically send a heartbeat request to the Elastic service indicating the product is still in use. If I use the application for less than an hour, I will immediately be credited back for the unused time within that hour. To see this, my current balance is 1,470.4 tokens, and I'll now stop using the intermediate version. My token balance has now increased to 1,477.3 tokens, with the credit for unused time within the hour. All usage transactions are stored in the Elastic Service Database. This data is available via REST API and can be displayed within the application, which I will show here under Usage History. The usage history displays all the details for the usage events. The last two transactions show the start of the use of the intermediate application with the 7-token hourly deduction, and then the credit back of the unused tokens in the hour after stopping use. This data provides great insight into how end customers are using Acme's software applications. Revenera provides easy-to-implement secure REST APIs for integrating the Elastic Access functionality. I'll select API logs to view the API calls made for various events. I'll start using the advanced application. The logs show the API request indicating the requesting user, as well as the requested items, which in this case is the advanced application version 1 with a count of 1. The response returns the successful processing of the request, the total number of tokens charged for the transaction, as well as the details contained in the request. Note these offerings can be completely independent applications that can be used concurrently. I'll also start use of the intermediate application. The API request now contains the information for both intermediate and advanced applications. To simplify the management of the tokens, the Elastic Access Service first stops the metering use of the previously running advanced application, credits back any unused hourly tokens, and then starts the metering for the new request for both intermediate and advanced applications. To see this, let's go back and view the usage history. Here you can see the start of the use of the advanced application. I then sent a request for both the advanced and intermediate applications. The service then stopped metering advanced, credited back the tokens for the remainder of the hour, and at the same time started the metering for both intermediate and advanced applications. Note that Acme has full control over the token usage rates for the various offerings and can update them as needed at any point in time. This concludes the Elastic Access demonstration. Please contact your Revenera sales representative with any questions. Thank you.